What are the benefits of drinking lemon water? Lemon water is all the rage these days. Many restaurants serve it routinely, and some people start their day with lemon water instead of coffee or tea. There's no doubt lemons are great for adding citrus flavor to food and drinks, but are there any benefits to adding lemon juice to your water? Much of the evidence supporting lemon water's health benefits is anecdotal. While lemons contain nutrients, like vitamin C and antioxidants, the nutritional value of a glass of lemon water depends on how much lemon juice it contains. Promotes hydration. Making sure you're drinking enough water every day is crucial for overall health, but not everyone likes the taste of plain water. Using lemon juice to add some flavor to your water may help you drink more. Drinking water helps prevent dehydration, a condition that can cause brain fog, mood changes, overeating, constipation, kidney stones. According to the Institute of Medicine, general guidelines say women should get at least 91 ounces of water per day and men should get at least 125 ounces. This includes water from food and drinks. Good source of vitamin C. Citrus fruits like lemons contain vitamin C, a primary antioxidant that helps protect cells from damaging free radicals. On top of that, vitamin C also plays a role in helping your body synthesize collagen, absorb iron, and produce hormones. Additionally, not consuming enough vitamin C may cause symptoms like increased susceptibility to infections, dryness of the mouth and eyes, dry skin, fatigue, insomnia, loosening of teeth. While lemons don't top the list of citrus fruits high in vitamin C, they're still a good source. Squeezing the juice of a 48-gram lemon into a glass of water will provide you with 21% of the DV of vitamin C. May support weight loss. Drinking lemon water may help you increase your water intake, which is often read as a weight loss strategy. However, there's limited evidence to justify this. In a 2018 study, participants who were instructed to drink water before eating a test meal ate less food than when they were instructed to eat the test meal without preloading with water. When participants drank water before eating a test meal, they did not feel significantly less satiated, despite eating less food. Easy alternative to sugary drinks. Sugar-sweetened beverages like juice, soda, sports drinks, sweetened water, and energy drinks are the leading source of added sugars in the American diet. Regularly drinking these beverages is associated with a range of health conditions, including weight gain, obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, kidney disease, liver disease, tooth decay, cavities, gout. If you regularly reach for sweetened, fruit-flavored beverages to quench your thirst, switching to lemon water could help you cut back on sugar without sacrificing flavor. Citric acid helps prevent kidney stones. The citric acid in lemons may help prevent kidney stones. Citrate, a component of citric acid, paradoxically makes urine less acidic and may even break up small stones. Lemon juice contains citric acid, however large amounts may be needed to increase your urine's pH. The National Kidney Foundation suggests mixing 4 oz of lemon juice concentrate with water as a complementary dietary remedy alongside other medication for kidney stone prevention. Aid Digestion. Drinking lemon water before meals may help promote and improve digestion. That's because the citric acid found in lemon juice to boost gastric acid secretion, a digestive fluid produced in the stomach that enables your body to break down and digest food. In a 2021 study, participants drank 300 ml of either water or lemon water prior to eating meals for 4 weeks. The researchers collected stool samples before and after the test period, and participants' intestinal microbiota were analyzed. The study's authors found that pre-meal intake of lemon water appeared to promote digestion and peristalsis, or the wave-like contractions that help move food through the digestive tract.